My name is Raul Peña, and my project is based on using machine learning to determine welcoming drinks at the restaurants. Uh, I myself also work as a waiter, so being able to get the drink as soon as possible, it helped me out a lot because it gave me extra time to do more stuff. What I want to do is to have an efficient program that determines what drinks people order when they sit. My program is based on a similar one that they use machine learning to determine how likely were people to like Japanese food. Now, for my goal, what I want to do is like as soon as people sit on the table, is like do determine like by the time, the amount of guests, their sex, female, male, and the approximately on the age. The program would determine what drink should I offer as soon as possible, either red wine, white wine, or cocktails. I was the one taking the input from my own table, so this is how my data looks like it. I have hour range 6 to 7, 8 to 9. I got 7 to 8, 9 to 10 as well. Number of guests I only took into consideration tables in 2 and 4. Sex, either male, female, for male, female, female. For ranges, it's like 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. And I got the outputs over there. So since I was the one taking the the data, first thing I had to do is get the data to Excel, and then from Excel, pass it to Python and separate the set into a training set and a testing set. I had to normalize the data as well. Things the sex was from 1 to 7 because I have male, male, female, male, female, female, and for example, the amount of guesses is only 2 and 10. So what I did is normalize the whole data just to go between 0 and 1. For the models, I was going to use KNN, yep, and decisions tree. And of course, for performance measures, accuracy F1 score and the confusion matrix. Now, the first result, it wasn't that good for me. I think my data was a little bit biased. I have too many two tops or too many doing cocktails. So what I ended up doing is just combining the wine instead of going for red wine and white wine. I just should I do cocktails or wine? As you can see, this is when I have the three. I have a really low F1 score, and my accuracy wasn't that good, but keep into consideration this kind of project is never that efficient. As you can see, the project that I was following, they didn't went too far away from me. I think they only hit like 0.71, and that was using the random forest. And then when I moved to the two output, you can see over here, it went a little bit better. I went a little bit up, and even the F1 score went up as well. This is what it looks once I start splitting my dataset. This is when I realized that it wasn't going to be that good. That you can see I start going down, and when I have three output variables, it went down to even 22 and 1 the distances. I end up with this average, 0.62 for one and 0.53 for the three. I want to continue working in this project, however, I think all my data needs to be changed. Uh, my attributes were too broad, so I have too many, too little points to compare. Uh, I need more tables of four since all my tables was mostly two tables. That's probably, well, this was biased. It was always some of the issues is that they weren't accurate at all for the wines. I want to add a couple new attributes as well. So, of course, try with different algorithms, but I don't think that's gonna be since that it's my data was as the issue. And that's all for me. Thank you.